might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Shamir from AZ Company. I'm sorry to say it, but your typing machine is not working well.
Salam. Oh, really? I'm sorry about that. But may I know where did you buy the machine and the warranty is still valid?
I forget when I buy the machine, but I will check it. Wait a minute, sir. Yes, sir. The warranty is still valid.
So may I know what the problem is?
I think the problem is the gas is not functioning properly.
Okay, I will call my manager first. Then after that, I will call you immediately.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry I'm disturbing you, sir. Thank you.
So, sir, one of my customer have complained about the TIG machine. So what the action that your company will take? Oh, like that. It's okay. I will call our technician and give you a confirmation. But before that, can I know the warranty is still valid, right? Warranty is still valid, sir. I'm manager from Paradigma Holding. Am I talking with Paradigma Holding technician?
Hello. Oh yes, that's me. Can I help you, sir?
To go to look the TIG machine at the Y company workshop in Shah Alam. So may I know where can you go?
On 17 March of March, and I will go to the check machine at the 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you for lending your time. If this Mr. Miza, our technician will be at your place on 27 March at 10 a.m. Thank you. I will tell my customer about the date. Hello, Mr. Shamir. Our technician will be at your place on 27 March at 10 a.m. Good.
Oh, really? Can you postpone that date?
Sorry, because our technician only free on that day.
How about you guys just repair the machine without me? Because I have a meeting that day.
Okay, just leave it to me.
I will give you my workshop location to you as soon as possible.
Thank you, Mr. Shamir. Salam.
Are you Mr. Mirza?
Yeah, Mr. Miza.
Yes, I have a friend call. We are the I'm Ozi Tanuri from technician of Paradigma Holding. Can I know what the problem is?
Oh, I see. Thank you for coming. I think the problem is at argon gas. This is because the fire burning is not perfect.
Okay, sir. I will check the machine first. Dah. Okay.
Assalamualaikum, Ozi.
From my observation, I found a few problems on this machine, sir.
Oh, okay. Carry on.
Alright. First of all, from the observation, the gas hose was clogged. Yes, sir. Too many clogs in the hose,
Alright.
and the tungsten has broken. Beside, the temperature will rising when used more than 50 minutes.
Oh, like that.
Right. After that, the hose also has a leak. The ampere reading was not stable. So, sir, do you want me to repair or just change the equipment?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It seems this machine has many problems. I think you should fix all the problem and make sure you change the broken item. Okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sorry, sir. Can I know what the problem is?
The problem is the hose is leak, ampere reading incorrect, the temperature rising, and the gas hose clogged.
Okay, there are many more problem. Can you call me?
I will call you back later.
Okay. Hi, sir. Can I know your progress?
Alright, the progress. The machine has already functioned properly, sir. But the machine cannot be used for a long time. It is because the machine are only using air coolant, not a water coolant.
Oh, really? Thank you. I appreciate that.
Alright.
Mira, my company has a new type of TID welding machine. You can offer it to your customer. This TID machine was air coolant and water coolant. This can make the machine last longer than the previous machine.
I will try to ask my customer later. Mr. Shame, we have a new type of TID welding machine. We want to offer you this machine with a low price.
Wow, it look interesting. Can I know the specification?
Has water and air coolant. Another function is same as before, but it has more safety than before.
Did I get discount for this brand new TIG machine?
You will get 10% off and 13% off for trade-in.
In this case, I will buy the new one.
Okay, I will send the machine to your workshop next week.
For your service. I really satisfied.
You are welcome, Mr. Shaman.
It might seem crazy